Hello everyone, I'm Pawan Mishra, welcoming you to the another episode of Online Music Classes. In this episode, we will know about the proper way to hold the guitar and learn few exercises also that beginners can use to get started on the guitar. So let's have a look at them. I'm just giving you some quick tips that I've seen for beginners that aren't really good for them. It's not really a great way to hold the guitar. If you are doing the same, please first improve your guitar placement. The guitar should be resting between your right forearm and your right thigh, with your elbow resting roughly on the corner of the body. The guitar should be at an approximately 90 degree to your body, not like that. This is pick or plectrum. It is used to pluck or strum. You can hold your pick like this with either your thumb and two fingers or thumb and your first finger. Both ways are acceptable. One important thing, don't hold your pick like this. In this guitar, we have 6 strings. The strings are numbered from bottom, not from top. The first string is this one, which is tuned on E note. The second string is this, which is tuned on B note. This one. The third string is this, which is tuned on G note. The fourth string is this, which is tuned on D note. The fifth string is this, which is tuned on A note. And the last string, which is number 6th. In this one, this string is tuned on lower E. Now, hit the 6th string like this. This is called down stroke. Down. Now, we are using up stroke also. Like this. Apply the alternate picking style on all strings. Like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we are moving to the next exercise. These spaces, as you can see, they are called frets. They are called by the fret number also. Fret number 1, fret number 2, fret number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, keep your wrist below the fretboard and make sure your fingers can comfortably reach across the strings. If your fingers are not comfortably reach on first 4 frets, then choose upper frets for starting. And try to keep the top of your thumb just over the back over the fretboard. Like this. Now place your first finger on the first fret on first string. Hit this string with down stroke. Now moving up to the next fret, leaving your first finger down and place your second finger on the second fret with up stroke. Moving up with the third finger on the third fret Still laying your all fingers down, hit the down stroke. And last, place your fourth finger on the fourth fret. The string will be same in this exercise. Hit up stroke. Now reverse. Apply this exercise in all strings like this. When you feel comfortable in slow speed, then work on your speed. You should exercise on all over the neck. You can start from first fret, second fret, third fret, all the way down, okay, so that's it for today. I'll be back very soon again with the new lesson. Keep practicing regularly and you take care.